few drops of sodium hydroxide solution. So I will take the first portion. So I will add few drops of sodium hydroxide. This is sodium hydroxide solution. I have 4 different solutions here. We have potassium dichromate 6 acidified. We have lead nitrate solution. We have barium nitrate solution. So I'm using sodium hydroxide solution. We are only adding few drops. Few drops means between 1, 2, or 3. So let's add 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. Take a look. No white precipitate. No white precipitate formed. No white precipitate at all. Even if we add excess, there will be no white precipitate formed. So here we will now record our observation. Here, no white precipitate. No white precipitate formed at all. So that one means that either sodium, potassium, or ammonium ion may be present in this solution. We are suspecting one of the 3. So we will write here sodium, potassium, or ammonium ion present. Sodium, potassium, or ammonium ion present. So since there are 3, I say in paper 3, qualitative analysis, we use elimination method. So the next question is to eliminate or to identify one of them. Which one is present among the 3? Because comma means we are just suspecting that sodium or potassium or ammonium ion may be present in that solution. There is only one that is present. So if we want to eliminate one of the 3, what we do, we carry out another experiment that will eliminate so that we remain with one. So this one can be done by even burning the solid. So we know the color when this solid burns. If there is sodium ion, the solid will burn with a golden yellow flame or bright yellow flame. So we will identify sodium as present in that solution as the component of the solid. But if potassium is present, when we burn the solid and it burns with a lilac flame or pale purple, lilac flame, when it burns with a lilac flame, that means that potassium ion present. That means that potassium ion present and or sodium and ammonium ions are absent. But if it burns with golden yellow flame, it means sodium ion present or potassium or ammonium ions are absent. So that solution, when the solid burns with golden yellow flame, we will be talking about sodium ion present or potassium and ammonium ion absent. But if it burns with a lilac flame, it is potassium present or sodium and ammonium ions absent. So that is flame test. Flame test can only help to identify one of the cations because different metals burn with different types of flames and colors. So there are different metals burning with different flames. So that color of the flame alone can help us to identify a particular metallic ion in the solution. So we will not carry out that flame test now, but you should know that when white precipitate forms, we talk about the three amphoteric ions. But when no white precipitate at all, even when we add few drops of sodium hydroxide or ammonium hydroxide solution, we mention these three ions as present because these three ions will never form white precipitate, whether the reagent used is in few drops or excess. So that is all about that part of the three ions. When they are present, there will be no white precipitate at all. When they are absent, the white precipitate will form. And this white precipitate can dissolve to form a colorless solution, and we mentioned the three amphoteric ions.